Hi guys, the Galaxy A53 and A73 are gonna launch on the 17th of March, which is just a few days away. And they both have a new game-changing feature that can make them the best mid-range devices out there. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates. And drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So when Samsung launched its flagship S22 series, they said the devices were gonna get 4 years of Android software updates and 5 years of security updates. And that's the best software support in the Android market, even better than Google's, the owner of Android. While Google and other companies are giving 3 years of Android software updates to their flagships, Samsung is giving 4 years, which is really good. And it turns out it's not gonna be just their flagship devices. Samsung plans to extend this software support to its mid-range devices. Now, while it wasn't explicitly stated what mid-range devices were gonna get the longer software support, it makes sense for it to be the A53 and A73 because those are Samsung's upper mid-range devices and they sell really well. So both the upcoming Galaxy A53 and A73 are gonna get 4 years of Android software updates and 5 years of security updates, which is absolutely insane, especially for a mid-range device. It beats every other company's flagship software support and doubles the support of other companies' mid-range devices because most companies give 2 years of Android software updates at most. So Samsung is currently the best company when it comes to Android software support and longevity. They're even better than Google at this point, which is really good considering they used to be one of the worst when it comes to software support. The devices are gonna launch on the 17th of March, which is just a few days away, and I'm definitely gonna cover the event, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't so you don't miss it, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.